Okay, so next up is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So we know Rudolph. So this could just be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But if you want to be specific, you could say Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose. Okay? And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. So this comes up sort of where your rings would hit your sort of knuckles. Games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight, okay? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, happy, okay? Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll be famous. So it's from your mouth and then it comes out, famous. Ooh, you're gonna write history, famous. All right, so let's try it with a song, though of course you don't need it with a song, but we'll try it. Here we go.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.